Last week ng May ang celebration naman ng birthday namin ng mga May. Ayan, pang ilang celebration ko na to dito naman sa Cologne, Germany with the Filipino community. Ito yung dala kong cake at may palitson pa sila dito na order. Oh, ayan, diba? Lechon para sa aming birthday.
78. Saan sa itaas?
Kukuha na lang ako sa taas. Ay, Lino.
Minsan nag-ano yan kasi alam mo, 300.
Three distinct persons in one God, sharing the same and the Holy Spirit. Let us all stand as we sing together our entrance song.
Bago ang kainan, ayan, with Father Rodel and Eileen. At ayan, ready na ang mga birthday celebrant of May. Mag-blow the candle na kami. Ayan, blow the candle na tayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to us. Ayan ang mga May birthday celebrant. Thank you so much. Nakiselebrate ako dito sa Cologne community sa mga birthday celebrant ng May with Mana Bioli 78th birthday. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to us. At sana marami pa tayong birthday na marating, how you call that, together. Sana maraming birthday pa akong maka-join dito sa inyo sa Cologne. At ayan, panghuli ang halo-halo treat ni Mana Bioli. Ayan, from Kabayan Dream Float. Ayan, thank you so much guys for the celebration. Ayan, post muna tayo, Eileen.